In the previous video lecture, we have discussed concept of bookkeeping. That was our third part. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the meaning of bookkeeping, again accounting and accountancy and their differences. So let's start again with the meaning of bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping here? Bookkeeping is the day-to-day recording of companies' financial transactions such as purchase, sales, receipts and payments, and forms an initial part of the accounting process. It can be prepared in two ways, single entry and double entry system. However, double entry system is very much popular and recognized in most of the countries. This is our bookkeeping where daily transactions are recorded in the company's financial account. Bookkeeping is combination of two words, book plus keeping. As we have seen here, book plus keeping, which means maintaining the books of accounts in a proper and systematic way. According to North End Code, bookkeeping is an art of recording in books of accounts the monetary aspects of financial transactions. So this is the definition of bookkeeping here. In brief, bookkeeping is an art and science of correctly recording the transactions of an organization in a systematic manner. Bookkeeping is that part where, or we can say it is a that part of company where transactions are recorded systematically, or we can say in chronological order, so that it is science as well as art. Bookkeeping enables the following information: exact profitability of business because daily transactions are recorded in it, the amount of capital employed in the business, the amount of debtors and creditors, and total assets and liabilities. Now, let's start next meaning, that is accounting. As per AAA, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Accounting may be defined as a systematic recording of information which involves analyzing, classifying, summarizing, interpreting business transactions. Accounting tells us that you have to record each and every transaction in a systematic way, where you have to analyze that transaction, classify that transaction, summarize, and then interpret all that business transaction. This is the definition of accounting. Now, accountancy. It is the practice of recording, classifying, and reporting on business transactions for a business. It provides feedback to management regarding the financial result and status of an organization. Previously, the terms bookkeeping and accountancy were regarded as one thing. Accountancy is a broad concept and it includes bookkeeping also. Transactions are recorded not only as a documentary proof, but they are also analyzed for getting more valuable information. Accounting is concerned with analysis of records, but accounting maintain the records in a systematic way. Through that systematic way, accounting analyze, record, summarize, classify, interpret that record. In the words of R.N. Anthony, an accounting system is a means of collecting, summarizing, and reporting in monetary terms information about the business. And in the terms of Harold Bierman, accounting may be defined as identifying, measuring, recording, communicating of financial information. Now, there is a difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping focus on recording of transaction and accounting focus on the analysis of financial data. It classifies and records financial transactions accurately and it assists with key financial planning decisions. It archives and stores documents for easy retrieval. We can easily retrieve the data which are already stored in the financial records or in the form of monetary terms. It provides overview of bookkeeping process. It prepares and provides ongoing reports and it adjusts data for tax and reporting purposes. It is a technology savvy and it prepares tax reports and represent you to tax authorities. It is very cost efficient and high cost is there in it. So this is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Now, next difference is accounting and accountancy. Accounting. It is concerned with recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction. And accountancy is a body of knowledge prescribing certain rules or principles to be observed while recording, classifying, summarizing of transaction. In accounting, we record, classify, summarize. But in accountancy, we prescribe certain rules related with the recording, classifying and summarizing. Accounting is a narrow scope and accountancy have a wider scope. Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends, and bookkeeping and in accountancy it includes bookkeeping as well as accounting. Accounting depends on bookkeeping and accountancy depends on both bookkeeping and accounting. In accounting, its main function is to ascertain the net results and financial position of business and communicate them to interested parties. In accountancy, it includes a decision making function and on the basis of information provided by bookkeeping and accounting. So, this is the concept of bookkeeping, accounting, and accountancy and their differences. Try to find out more and more differences between all these three. Revise it, make a short note of it. Thank you so much.